EcoStem is a UK manufacturer that develops natural biostimulants. The portfolio of products that EcoStem develops cover all aspects of agriculture, viticulture, horticulture, ornamental and sports application. The biostimulants are complex compositions containing a range of organic materials that possess no live microorganisms. We are passionate about ecological sustainability and understand the impending changes caused by climate change. We strive to help each industry maintain and exceed current targets by operating worldwide with distributors in major countries.
One of the two case studies we're going to show you today is on a rice paddy grower, and this was in Sri Lanka. This chap grows organic rice, and the results that we find, as you can see in the figures that we have on left of screen, he ended up with a 30% increase in yield, and that was highly significant across his board for it. So not just the increase in yield was beneficial to him, but also the saving that he makes on the reduced chemical input. The case study on the right hand side of screen is on our grower in Nigeria, and that was upland rice, and that was a 27% increase in yield. And again, one of the most important things is the other benefits that utilising an EcoStem biostimulant makes, and that is increase in nutritional value.
The other case study we're going to look at today is tomato. Although we have tomato growers across Africa, this grower is in southern Africa. Again, you have the figures on screen. It's going to show a 27% increase in yield. The other major benefit on any crop is the difference it makes post-harvest. The increase in shelf life, the improvement in bricks and flavour is incredibly important for post-harvest quality.
Increase crop yield and overall quality. Other noticeable benefits.
EcoStem product range. The 5 products work with specific crop groups to maximise the crop potential: eco-cereal, eco-fruit, eco-veg, eco-flower and eco-turf. Eco-cereal. We were asked to develop a product specifically for cereal type crops that will facilitate a return on investment as good as our core product while retaining the natural ethos of our company. Eco-fruit. This has been specifically made for fruit crops, including tomato. It comes in liquid and granular form. This has been specifically blended to maximise the benefit of fruit, including flavour and shelf life. Eco-veg was developed for veg crops, including onion and potato. Again, it's in liquid and granular form. And one of the great things on this, again, is the quality and extension of shelf life. The cut flower market is vast in itself, hence eco-flower. This product was developed not only to increase the quantity of heads per stem, it also increases the shelf life and the vibrancy of the colour of the flowers. Eco-turf, specifically made for golf courses, sports pitches, etc. It comes both in liquid and granular form. This has proved very successful on golf courses in the UK, and we'll be rolling this out along with all our other products.
For the groups sorghum, wheat, rice and corn, we would envisage increases in the high 20% increase in yield. Pulses, vegetables, oilseeds, coffee and tea, we would envisage in the mid 20% increase in yield. For fruit and ornamentals, again in the high 20% of yield increase. Plants pre-treated with the EcoStim range can resist wilt for around 40% longer than untreated plants during periods of drought. Once wilt has occurred, pre-treated plants can also survive for up to 30% longer if water is still not available. On recovering from wilt and drought, sacrificing some leaves by not restoring their water supply is a survival tactic adopted by many plants during periods of sustained drought to ensure that the plant as a whole survives. The severity of this reaction to drought stress can also be reduced by treating plants with EcoStim prior to the occurrence of drought. Plants treated with the EcoStim range of biostimulants take up more nutrients and so have a higher nutrient content on harvesting. Increases in some key nutrients of 20 to 25% would not be exceptional. In all trials on soft fruit, we have seen increases in shelf life post-harvest ranging from 3 to 6 days with the average of 4 days. The greatest aspect of this is the added value for the grower in that the post-harvest losses are greatly reduced. We have seen wastage reduced from 42% to 28% between farm gate and distributor. Helps the plant fight disease, pests and manage the stress. Biostimulant actions in plants can take many different forms and involve numerous mechanisms and pathways. Our complex biostimulant formulations based on plant extracts engage with many of these pathways and so produce a broad spectrum of biostimulant actions. Natural, biodegradable and environmentally friendly. Totally biodegradable. Increase soil bioactivity. Can release bound particles into the soil. Reduce the need for fertilizers and fungicides. These are the 6 main benefits. Increase yield. Improve soil quality. Improve flavor. Improve shelf life. Reduce fertilizer and fungicide by up to 40% and provide ROI. When we apply biostimulants, we not only bring about changes in the quality and vigor of the plant, but equally important for current and future plant generations, we also change the characteristics of the soil. Although different soil types have their own particular characteristics which require specific interventions to turn them into useful growing mediums, all have a few common requirements. All the beneficial symbiotic soil organisms that are essential for plant health and development are anaerobic and require access to oxygen. Over the last 5 years, we have tested in all soil conditions from Zimbabwe to South America, via Sri Lanka and the UK. All soil types are suitable.